Hey guys, I just wanted to do a super, I always say super quick, but they end up being a lot longer than that. I didn't get a video out last Friday. Um, I didn't really know how to say why, I guess. I'm trying my best to be more consistent on this channel, and I just wanted to let y'all know that I took like a mental week. I really didn't do a lot of anything but kind of laying around, and that's okay. I know that a lot of people deal with like depression, anxiety type stuff. I deal with that, and last week was just kind of that week for me. I just wasn't feeling that great mentally, and so I just didn't film. I'm feeling a lot better, and so I wanted to at least get a shorter video up. We had already done this little like tea garden kind of deal that I'm sitting in, and it's actually I guess an herb garden would be a better name for it, because there's herbs in here, but there's also gonna be stuff for me to do tea. Like I've got lavender, and that's what we're gonna do here in a second. I got some lemon balm to plant, and some peppermint to plant, and some chamomile. I thought this was kind of fitting since I didn't do a video last week, and because of the reason that I didn't do a video last week, I just mentally didn't feel like it, and I feel like that's okay. But taking care of myself and my body and trying to eat healthier, and I'm not super healthy. I try to be healthier than what I've been in the past. And I have recently liked, well, I say recently, but it's been a while, but I like trying new teas. I haven't tried a whole lot. So that's one reason that I wanted to do this little bitty tea garden and herb garden, like I said. But mostly I'm doing it for the tea. I do have some like chives in here, cilantro, and then that oregano that I just showed a second ago, and basil. But yeah, I just think taking care of yourself, or I shouldn't say yourself, me personally, if I get up in the mornings and I make sure to drink water, start my diffuser with something like peppermint to kind of get myself, awake and going, eating a good breakfast, getting enough sleep, and just doing the things that I know that make me feel better. Sometimes it's just a matter of getting up out of the bed and just getting dressed and pulling my hair up, and that's what I did today. I don't have on any fancy clothes. My hair is just kind of in a side bun kind of deal, but it helps me to feel a little bit better and to just kind of get a little bit motivated. So anyway, enough of the rambling. I'll show you this little garden that we've got going on over here, and beyond that, it is, I think I'm getting bit. Maybe not. I thought I got bit by an ant. I am sitting on the ground, but anyway, it's kind of crazy beyond this, but that doesn't matter. This little spot brings me so much joy, and I like it, and I want to share it with you today. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so here's a little garden. We got some landscaping timbers back there. Actually, that's not landscaping timbers. I forgot what my husband said that was, but we just had extra ones, so he put those there. I got that from a thrift store, and I've got to find something to go on that. I may actually end up putting it on that little side deck. I just got done setting up my little succulents over there. I may show you that in a minute. That, I forgot what it was. If I can remember, I will put it somewhere like in the video to show you what it is. It was here, and so we just kind of done around that. It's some kind of flower. And I don't remember what any of these flowers are, but I just picked them, and my husband picked out some that he liked. These were already here. I can't remember exactly what those are called either. These are my favorite. Don't remember what they're called. I also have some spearmint, but I'm supposed to start that indoors, so I just set it to the side. And then these little white flowers here, we put some little stepping stone things, whatever you want to call those. We've got two of the same there, and then I showed you one of these over there. Then whatever these little pretty red flowers are, this is something that was already here. We just kind of left there, and then we got us some tulips. And then that is just to cover up our flowers because we had a little bit of a frost, and so we covered them up with a cheap sheet from Walmart. I already got my little stakes. These obviously come with them because I just bought those like at Tractor Supply. I think that's where I got them from. And then these little things, the white things, came from Dollar Tree. They come 10 in a pack for $1.25, which I think is a pretty good deal. And then I just wrote on them in my horrible handwriting what we're planting. And I won't need the spearmint one today because, like I said, I need to start that one in the greenhouse. I don't know what I'm doing, but these do say that I can plant these. It says container variety, but it does also say on the back that I can plant them outside once danger of frost is over. And that was April the 15th or 16th here, so I think we're okay to go ahead and plant these. We're going to try it. So let's get going on doing that. So from my front porch, there's this ramp. We were going to take it off. We decided to just leave it. And then you turn to your left, and this is where our little herb tea garden is going to be. And the reason that we stopped it here is because that's all of the wood chips that we had. But we want to take it all the way back to this side deck here. But anyway, I'll just show you this garden. I'm trying to get out of the... There we go. And so eventually I want to be able to come out of this door, which is connected to my kitchen. That's my laundry room. Our dogs were out here. You can see this is a hot mess, but my husband's going to cut all of this today and get it kind of straightened back up. But I want to be able to come out of this door, which my dogs have thoroughly destroyed. I'm going to try my best to fix it, kind of sand it down, and maybe paint back over it. They've tore up this where they've just kind of worn it in. But anyway, this whole, and you can probably hear my washer and dryer going, sorry about that, but this is what I just got done doing before I showed you the little herb garden that's over there. I just planted some of these hen and chicks that my mother-in-law gave me. Some of these are her pots that I need to get back to her. Those are hers. All of the like terracotta, where'd it go? Oh, I got them condensed down to one. So that terracotta one is hers, and then that one that says flower and garden is hers, her flowers and garden. And I believe that's my daughter's, so that one can stay here. But the rest of them are my mother-in-law, so I'm going to give them back. These are just the like yogurt containers. I just shoved them in there just to try to get her, like I said, get hers back, and then I'll get something else to put these in. I used to have that in my laundry room. It actually was still in my laundry room, and I don't use it, so I just thought that it would be a cute little planter. And that blue planter that you saw was my father-in-law's that I can't remember if he actually gave it to me or my mother-in-law gave it to me before or after he passed away. But it's a McCoy. I really, really like it, so that's really cute out here. I think that is pretty much it for this video. I know you can see a huge mess behind me. We have a ton of work still to do here on our farm, but we are loving every minute of it, even though we are stinking tired. But we like it. I mean, like I said, it's a farm. There's so much to do, but we knew that before we bought it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a like down below. It really will help this channel out. Like I said earlier, I'm trying to be more consistent. So if anything that you see below interests you, that's mainly what my channel is about, obviously. Just things around the farm, motherhood, homeschooling, homesteading, healthy living, anything like that. Just our life around here. So I will try my best to see you guys next Friday.